Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zip the Programming Guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to add someone to a group chat on TikTok. Alright, it's very easy. Now let's get started. Now the first step to take is to open your TikTok application, and then from your FYP just click on inbox at the bottom of your screen. From here, you're going to see all your TikTok notifications together with your group chats. Alright, this is my group chat at the top, gamers. Alright, so I'm going to click on that one. Now, if I want to add more members to this group, as you can see right now, I have just 4 members at the top. Now, look at the top, you're going to see 4 members. So, if I want to add more members to this group, all I have to do is to click on the 3 dots at the top right corner, and then I'm going to see all my members, and also I will get this plus icon to add member. If I click on that, then I can be able to add new members to the group. Then I'll just click on done at the bottom of my screen, and the new members will be added. Now, as you can see at the top, I have 8 members on this my TikTok group. So this is how you can add someone to a group on TikTok, or how to add new members to a TikTok group. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to this channel to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching.